never thought a little pinch of salt in the shower would turn my husband into a total wild stallion. Ever since he started using this horse salt trick, I go crazy for him, like I'm begging for more every single time. This is my husband we're talking about. He gained over 4 in just from this one controversial hack. And listen, he had already tried everything. He even wasted $300 on some fancy extender, but the only thing that got bigger was his frustration. Then one day he saw this random video about a secret trick they used on horses. I laughed and said, "Yeah, sure, go for it. If it doesn't work, at least we'll get a laugh." But little did I know he'd end up with more length, insane firmness, and honestly, a confidence I've never seen in him before. He was so fired up that he made me come 3 times in a row. 3. I never thought that was even possible with him. Now I can't wait to sneak him into the backyard. Whenever I get home from work, I'll straight up ask, "Is it hard?" No beating around the bush, and the best part, it boosts blood flow by over 300%, totally natural. No pills, no shots, just a simple shower trick with salt and ice. There's a video that shows the whole horse ritual in action. Back then, my husband had to pay $97 to see it, but now it's totally free. Just click below before it gets banned again. But hey, watch it alone, the scenes get hot. There's even one of me with nothing on.